What's up, guys? It's winter, and you know what that is. It's cold start season. First really cold day here where I am. 34 degrees currently. I have not run the truck at all. Just jumped in. It's about, I'd say, 3 in the afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and cycle the ignition. Let that grid heater go. Got that weight to start. Taking a while. There we go. And you can see the temperature gauge is all the way off. Have not run it at all today. So let's see what happens. Almost went. I'll let that grid heater cycle one more time. There we go. Let's see what happens. Not bad. 93 12 valve VE pump Cummins. Starts up without too much issue. Yeah, I know my exhaust hangs pretty low to the ground. I just need to, weld up or bolt on a exhaust hanger and pull it up a little bit. But yeah, 185,000 miles, pretty young for a little 93 Cummins. But hey, gotta love your mechanical Cummins. Starts every day. Thanks for watching.